evaluate 141 base 6 plus 233 base 6 minus 102 base 6. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. I'll begin by adding the first two numbers. So I'll add 141 base 6 to 233 base 6. After adding these two numbers, I'll subtract 102 base 6 from it. So let's begin with the addition of the first two numbers. We have 141 base 6 plus 233 base 6. 1 plus 3 will give us 4. 4 in base 6 is 4. 4 plus 3 will give us 7. 7 in base 6 is 1, remainder 1. So you write 1 and carry 1 forward to this side. So you add that 1 to the 1 that you already have here. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So here is now 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 in base 6 is 4. So it means that if we add 141 base 6 to 233 base 6, we are going to have 414 base 6. So we are now done with the first two. We have to subtract 102 base 6 from this. So you have 141 base 6 minus 102 base 6. Let's do the subtraction. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. 2 in base 6 is 2. 1 minus 0 will give us 1. 1 in base 6 is 1. 4 minus 1 will give us 3. 3 in base 6 is 3. So if we subtract 102 base 6 from 414 base 6, we are going to have 312 base 6. It means that when we evaluate 141 base 6 plus 233 base 6 minus 102 base 6, we are going to have 312 base 6. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C, 312 base 6.